What's the meaning of aqueous humor? Aqueous humor. Aqueous humor.
Aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is a clear, watery fluid that fills the space between the cornea and the lens in the front of the eye. It plays a vital role in maintaining the shape of the eye and providing nutrients to the surrounding tissues. It is produced by the ciliary body and circulates through the anterior chamber of the eye before draining out through the trabecular meshwork. An imbalance in the production and drainage of aqueous humor can lead to an increase in intraocular pressure and may result in conditions like glaucoma.